Catherine Bernardo, bagong mukha ng kaseksihan. Masayang-masaya si Catherine Bernardo dahil finally ay na-flex na niya ang pagiging bagong Superbud Ambassador ng Century Tuna. Sa kanyang Instagram ay ipinasilip ni Catherine ang ginawa niyang paghahanda para sa endorsement. Makikita roon ang pagbubuhat niya ng barbell para ma-achieve ang kanyang fit body at takaw pansin na abs. Say ni Catherine, teenager pa lang siya ay dream na niyang maging bahagi nito. It's been a dream to be part of this campaign ever since I was a teenager. I've always been a fan of their campaigns, because they always encourage people to be the best version of themselves while taking care of their bodies. It's so surreal to be a part of this now. Saad ng kapamilya actress. Thank you to the best team for being so supportive. I can't put into words how excited I am, dagdag pa niya. Kabilang sa bumati sa kanya sina Miles Ocampo, Loisa Andalio at Ivana Alawi. Ilan sa mga celebrity na naging endorser na nito sina Bea Alonzo, Alden Richards, Ann Curtis at Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach.